In this lecture, we will learn how you can get the most out of this course. Now that you have purchased a very long course, it is important that you get the absolute most out of it, absorbing the information like a sponge, soaking up all of the details. How you take this course is up to a few factors: your Python programming experience, your goals and what you want to do with the knowledge, and your learning style. If you are 100% new to programming, or to Python programming, then I highly suggest that you start at the very beginning and work through the course section by section. Think of a course like a book. If you have never read the book before, then you read the book cover to cover from start to finish. If you're a Python programmer with intermediate experience, for example, someone that has built a Python application or two, or taken another course on Python programming, then you may not need the information from the first few sections of the course. Look through the video descriptions and start wherever you feel like you don't know about a particular topic. One piece of advice is that even intermediate Python coders may find my basic videos fill in some gaps of knowledge, so watching the earlier sections may give you a knowledge gem or two about Python programming that you might not already know. If you're an advanced Python coder preparing for an interview, then I suggest that you pick and choose the material you study based on what you'll need to know for the interview. When I assembled this enormous course, I packed it with information for beginners, intermediate, and advanced programmers. I added information for people that want to work with databases in Python, aspiring data scientists, people that want to program machine learning applications, and aspiring game developers. I packed this course full of practice resources, coding exercises, and quizzes to prepare the college computer science student that is studying for a coding exam, hobbyists that want to create apps and games, and for the programmer looking to ace their technical interviews and land their dream job. Also, don't think you need to watch each video once and then get the certificate of completion and that's it. Sometimes it may take watching a tricky video 2 or 3 times to fully understand the material. Don't be afraid to study the material and then go back over the more difficult areas once you've built up more experience. Your learning style plays an important role in how you take the course. Some of you are visual learners and will benefit from drawing diagrams of course info and watching the videos. Others, like myself, are note takers that will be pausing the video at intervals to jot down some notes into a notepad. It all depends on how you learn and what works for you. In summary, don't feel pressured or overwhelmed to watch every second of this course. Instead, either watch it section by section or choose the parts of the course that are tailored to your goals, interests, and needs. In the next lecture, we will learn tips for becoming the best Python programmer that you can be.